Hello, Nick here from TechNuovo and welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at a pair of Urbanista's brand new wireless earphones, Paris. Before we get too far into it, make sure you give this video a like and hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with all our latest videos. We're also active on our socials at TechNuovo. We stream on Mixer as TN Gaming, and we've started a little tech and gaming related podcast, which is available now on all major outlets. So let's jump into the review. Urbanista have in fact released two new pairs of wireless earphones, the Paris, which I've got here, and the Stockholm. Both are similar in appearance, but they vary slightly in how they sit in your ear, and the retail price and the battery life actually. The Paris is Urbanista's take on the ever popular Apple AirPods, and they do have their similarities. The earphones are available in 4 colours, white, black, pink and green. They have a 5-hour battery life, but the case will charge them completely 3 times, giving a total of 20 hours all in. They have touch control, voice control, they are water resistant, and the case allows for wireless charging on a QI certified dock. Within the box are the earphones, case, small USB Type-C cable, various sized earbuds and some instructions. As you can see, these are in-ear earphones and will sit within your ear canal. Because of this, they offer a decent amount of passive noise cancellation. Each earbud has a small blue indicator light and a microphone at the bottom of it. Like any wireless earphone, they are charged within the carry case via 2 metal prongs that need to be connected to transfer power. The case can then be plugged into the mains via the provided USB cable or put on a wireless charging dock. The earphones are touch sensitive, which is how you control your content. The sensitive part of each earphone is the top section, the logo to be exact, and that's where you need to put your finger to activate a command. All the gestures are detailed in the instructions, but as an example, volume up is touch the right earphone once, left for volume down, and if you want to skip a track, you need to hold your finger on the right earphone for 2 seconds. The controls work well, it's fairly responsive, but the time between touch and command could be a little bit quicker. On first use, I would tap to turn the volume up, and if I tap too quickly, it just went way too loud. I've used these all week at work and they've been great. The audio quality is very good for the price. They offer a fairly well mixed sound profile with enough bass to suit most genres, and I've really enjoyed using them. I've yet to have to charge them again, although I wouldn't wear them all day, but I've probably amassed about 15 hours with them on. They look good, they fit in with the current market trends, and they are comfortable and secure when in. I didn't use these while doing any exercise, but with how they feel within my ear, I'm confident it would take some vigorous activities for them to fall out. That's a wrap on this video. If you want to know a little more about these earphones, head over to technuovo.com for the full written review. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and we will see you in the next video.